Are you trying to open your door but it is locked? Have you lost the keys? Did your dog eat them just like your homework? Did your kids play with them? Or maybe something just happened to them? Well, you have come to the right place. Howda Everyday has a solution for you. Just like always. The first thing you are going to need is a lock tool. When you get to the door, don't punch it, because it has feelings. Gently approach the lock and start communicating with it, because communication is key. Now the door should open. I've done it again. Now please comment down below what tutorial you would like see next, because I would like to see what you guys need help with, so I can help you out. And if you liked this video, please consider liking it and subscribing to my channel for more Howda Everyday content. Until next time.
Nice.